What is going on, you guys? This is Chris with PRS100. Patches for the culture. Working on our little studio space. We don't have too much space. As you can see, this is the entire space right here. I am getting these tables lined up and organized and getting them ready because I am getting another brother persona that I have in the car right now, but I'm just in the condo making some space for everything. I plan on having the extra persona right here, maybe at an angle facing like straight towards us, at this angle here. So the back end will be like towards the corner or so. Once I get the machine in here and unboxed, I will take a look at setting it up and see how the space overall looks, and then I might have to adjust from there. But this is one of the many things you'll have to deal with when you're starting an embroidery business. Sometimes your space is limited, so you gotta rearrange some things. And since I'm getting another persona, I didn't trade in that brother right there because they were already having a really good deal at the Rocky Mountain Sewn and Vacuum that I go to, so I didn't trade in my brother SC625s. But with the other persona, I plan on having it set up with the hat frame, and I plan on keeping this one set up like this so I can just do regular patches, so that way I can have both machines running, one machine doing hats, one machine doing patches, and then have my SC625s doing our standard patches that we have available on our Etsy shop. Got things organized. Now I gotta go and use my muscles and get the brother persona out of the car and bring it in to the condo. All right. Got it in there, All right, so the persona box is here. Let me go ahead and get this thing unboxed. Okay. We gotta open up the top some, take off this little foam piece or whatever that is. Then we gotta come here and we gotta undo these little twist tie things. Once we undo that, we should be able to lift the full outer box all the way up, and then it'll reveal the foam, in which we separate the foams, and then we lift the machine up out of there. Ooh, that's some hefty foam. I hear some goodies under there. Let's set this off inside. Okay, that comes up like that. Looks like we got our package of smaller hoops right up in here in this bag that was behind one of the styrofoams. Here it is, you guys, with all its glory, the brother persona. Brand new in the packaging and everything. Be sure to give it that thumbs up button. Also, hit that subscribe button if you are not subscribed to the YouTube channel already. And also, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever we upload future content. Alright, you guys, so I got the brother persona set up. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put a bobbin in it, put some thread in it, and I'm gonna go ahead and run my test, make sure my tension is correct. But let me go ahead and finish getting this machine set up, make sure it's stitching properly, and we'll see you on the next video. This has been Chris with PRS100, patches for the culture. We'll see you on the next one. Deuces.